Hello and welcome. This is CodingTech Bikash. This is the JavaScript series part 3. In this series, I'm talking to you about values and variables of the JavaScript. For this, let's make files and I will make files in documents and let's create new folder named JS simply. Then after create JS folder, I will open in VS Code. Okay, let's expand here for clear. Let's create file. File name is index.html. You can make any file name. Okay, I'll make shortcut shift exclamation and then enter. It will give the starter file of the HTML. Then I will write Ctrl Z. I will write here shift in H1 tag. I will write here. This is the third series of the Java script script. Okay, I'll give color here in this inline style style equals to color color colon green. Okay, that's it. I'll give external file for JavaScript. So I will create here another file named main.js. Enter. Then in this file I will write JavaScript code. First of all, I will link here. In previous series, I have taught you about linking files. You can check the second series. I will link here in inside script tag script tag. Then I will keep source src equals to name in same folder main. I think main.js. Okay, part check it will connect or not. I'll do simply show console dot log console.log inside this name test. Enter. Then I will open in browser. Let's say Chrome browser. Then I will inspect in console. I will have to just gonna side by side open. Then I will this also open in a small screen. This finally this is connecting. Okay, now this file JavaScript file is connecting here. Now we do let's enter into today's topic. I will remove this one. Simply we are talking about values and variables. Let's say values 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 is the small piece or unit of the informations. It is the basic fundamental unit of the informations. Like for examples, let if I arrest the first name, first name equals to because here it is because is the values, and these values can be stored in the variables name here first names variable variable is the box or container where this values is stored, and we use variables for many times as per our need, like sol console console.log variable name first and name this enter. Let's reload here. It will show here. Then this variable name can be used over again and again as per our need. Like here 2 times. Here it should show 2 times like this. Okay. Now let's talk about naming convention of the JS variable. Naming convention and naming CONVENTI naming convention of the JS. Let's say one is first is camel case. Camel case. We use camel case for the naming variables. In camel case, first letter is in lower and the first letter of the variable of the second word is uppercase, like here. A little let my name where first word of letter first letter is small and the second word is of the first letter is capital. Like this, it is camel case. Here in this variable also we use camel case. Similarly, another is naming convention is let's enter for clean code. Another is we use global variable for global variable we use uppercase letter like pi equals to 3.14. It's for global variable we use all the capital letters, and in normal variables we don't use very all the capital letters, we use camel case. Similarly, we use similarly we for the variable name we use underscore name underscore letters variables letter numbers and dollar signs for naming variables. First letter of the variable should not start with numbers, should not start as well. This should not start with numbers, like I'll give example. Let new new year equals to, let's say, 282. Here it is not showing any errors, but when we give here any letters, any number, then it will show errors, uncaught syntax errors in line 17 it shows. So it should not start with numbers, and also any symbols also it will caught error. In the it's in first we can use underscore or dollar, but you simply like this. And JavaScript is case sensitive. Case sensitive. Case sensitive means like let any new year equals to 2083. Let's say console out console dot log console dot log. Here I will copy and paste, then again this copy and paste. It is same. It now see what it's giving. Let's say this is camel case sensitive, means that any letter it will differ, like y it will the same, it is case sensitive. Similarly, we cannot give reserved keywords. Yes, reserved keyword for naming variables. Keywords, like there are different reserved keywords like if, comma, new, comma, else, comma, block, comma, etc. Let's comment, etc. Let's comment it. These are the reserved keywords. These are the few we can explore more key reserved keywords, but we don't use naming variables for this keyword like let new equals to student, student. Then it will show the error. Here it shows the error at 27. We which here reserved keywords. Like another point is variable name should be descriptive, like descriptive. It should be descriptive name, like let my first job, camel case, job equals to teacher. Yes, first job is teacher, and let my CURL and the current job is equals to programmer PRO GRA MER programmer. Another example, another same naming, let my job one is equal to teacher. Same value can be represented with the same variable name, teacher. Let my job two. It's PROGRAM programmer. This we can see, you you know that which one is good. This one is good because this is descriptive. Here my first job, my current job, but here my job one, my job two. This is not descriptive. That's it for this series. Okay, if you have any questions or query, you can comment or you can mail me. Please support me with like and subscribe. Till then, happy coding.